guys, welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna be playing cats.
Hey guys.
Today, I'm here with my sis. Oh, come on.
Duh.
Oh,
You.
okay, yes, sis. This is helpful. Okay, so I'm looking for things like this. I need to change some videos since last year.
What are you making?
Because this is your
I'm just gonna watch your video. Bye.
Okay. First,
You need the charger.
no. Okay, guys, so I'm back on track. So, we're doing this right now. I get this thing done once and for all. Okay? Doing it. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. 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 Okay, that was fun. Let's check out some other things we can do. Fine. Let's do this. Oh no. Oh no. Too high at the top. Okay. We're not ready for that yet. I forgot. Okay, we need a lower vehicle. A little bit more lower than this thing. Let's go ahead and edit. I forgot that to change it. Okay. A three-wheeler. Okay. I got some help. This is good. With that there. With that there. Yes. Okay, let's get into the championship. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Shoot. There's some type of defense. Well, I'm not gonna end this show without this thing going great. No. Yes. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Let's go for here. Let's see what we can do. Okay. I need to win the championships. I won so many times. And I can't let it die now. Not today. That's exam stage 4. Right near this laser. As you can see. Okay. We're so close, so far. Let's go check out some things. Championships. Fight. I don't think this is go well. This is so not go well. Oh no. Yep. Okay, wait. Okay, I need to use another vehicle from the back. It has its weapons at the back. Hold something at the back at least. There's the vehicle. Don't see it. Here it is. Go. Okay, so let's start doing this. Something like this. Something like that. Not enough power. Oh, come on. Let's do it the other way. Let's take the chainsaw. Yes. Okay, got the chainsaw. I'm showing us this. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if I can show the other weapons. Where's the thing? This is stronger. No. Let's combine it. Okay, wait. Yes, I'm sure what's okay. Okay, no, well, it's kind of low. Oh, that's so there. Okay. Oh, come on. This. No, no. Ah. Ah. No. No. No, no, no. I wish Shrek ate me. I'm just getting break like I'm Shrek. I better look. I'll kill you. Oh no. I tried the most worst vehicle in the world. I can't kill them. The best vehicle in the world. Well, we're gonna end off the video here, guys. See you next time. I'm out.